Hello guys, as we see this is a continuation of Python tutorial. This we started to start with as in a Python strings today. So Python strings is nothing but a continuous sequence of characters which is a line order. So which is here you can see that print hello. Yes, right. It may be a double quotes or a single quotes. So if we run this, so before that we put a just to have such a great essence for some point of view. So if we run this, yes, we get a hello is as a output. Okay, then next we go for the second things. Second thing is nothing but which is hello, which is assigned to a variable a and call it after it. So let a is a variable and which is hello string is assigned to it and print is at be called. So next we can see about this before that calling. So we do some things like greater than sign and given a thing. So let control plus yes file. Yes, we get it right. Head get hello. You can see there's a difference between a hello and a hello. Okay, then okay, next is a multi-line strings assigned to a variable. It's finished. So now a multi-line strings. Multi-line strings is it? Yeah, it is used to multiple like a paragraph. If we want to write in a paragraph about it, like comments, but which is assigned to C variable. We use that double sorry triple quotes. Triple quotes is if we can is also like this, right? So like this is also taken by the triple quotes. So you can see now can assign it. Sorry, assign it. So like greater than sign, given a space, control plus s f5, boop. We get boop. We get a greater than symbol and string as it is where we say you like, right? As it is we given it's printed the line string multi-line string, right? So now if we call this that means the multi-line string is assigned to the C variable and get an call on it and it will print it. Okay, thanks. Okay, good. Next, accessing the element we will study after a few chapters long. So it is a it's a array concept, right? Array, if we have an n number of arrays, we need to take that particular array element. We use this method. So which is an sunspot is an word. I want the first letter. Yes, so I access the e access index. Okay, this is an index number. Any program you taken the access index, it's start from 0. So we print as 0, it will be print as. Okay, so now you can see this control plus F5. Why it is given to 10? I don't know. Okay. Yes. Sorry for this. Okay, done. Now here, sorry for this. Here I give it to the greater than symbol. So then control plus yes and F5 given. Yeah, you see first element is yes, right? First element is s. Okay, next the length of the element we use it. You can see that an output already has 7, so you can see that yes 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, now 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 to 6, which means a 7, right? So if I given a space in between that space, like Python counts the space also. So space and length with the greater than sign, give a comma for this thing. Here you see 8. Yes, Python. Here is this is the all videos. The next step will be see that. And thank you for watching.